Looking for places where you can find local arts and crafts, buy seasonal produce, hear live music, or even adopt a dog? Then it's time to visit the farmers markets in Las Cruces. I'm Cheryl Falstead.
And I'm Bud Russo, and we'll be your guides. The Las Cruces area has a number of farmers markets, large and small.
The award-winning Las Cruces Farmers and Crafts Market has been a local staple for 40 years. To be part of the farmers market, vendors have to handcraft what they sell, and produce offered for sale has to be grown by the local farmers you'll meet at the market.
Lots of visitors are surprised when they find out the Mesilla Valley is a rich agricultural area, but once you visit the market, you'll see just how productive our valley is. There's lots of fresh produce to see, taste, and buy.
Depending on the season when you visit, produce includes mouth-watering tomatoes, delicious herbs, lettuce, spinach, squash, freshly picked corn, pumpkins, onions, garlic, carrots, cabbage, eggplant, radishes, beets, nuts, apples, honey, jams, and of course chili, and decorative chili ristras. There's nothing like buying your produce at the market in the morning and enjoying it later that day for dinner.
Cheryl, you're making me hungry.
Don't worry, Bud. You won't have to wait until you get home to eat. The market features a number of food stands where you can buy breakfast, lunch, or a snack. You could also buy freshly baked breads, Mexican pastries, chocolate-covered waffles, desserts, candy, and bizcochitos to enjoy while you walk through the market, or save to enjoy later. Of course, a trip to the market wouldn't be complete without munching on the ever-popular kettle corn.
Well, there goes my diet. I'll just have to focus on the arts and crafts, which are quite diverse. You'll see fine art, such as sculpture, photography, handcrafted jewelry, pottery, fiber arts, furniture, baskets, dolls, cards, and even something special to bring home for your four-legged companion, like a new collar or homemade dog treats.
Speaking of dogs, the market is dog-friendly. You are welcome to bring your well-behaved, leashed pet to the market. If you don't have a dog, but would love to take one home with you, the Animal Services Center of the Mesilla Valley offers dog adoptions every Saturday during the market. There are always plenty of deserving dogs waiting to go home with some lucky family. Be sure to visit them while you're here.
I love to visit the market to buy gifts for my out-of-state friends, and when I have visitors, they always want to go to the market to get something to remember their trip. Something unique, like maybe a jalapeno roaster or a windmill.
You're sure to find something at the Farmers and Crafts Market. If you want something living to take home with you...
You mean instead of a dog?
Yeah, something a little lower maintenance. You can get a living plant, such as one of the many varieties of cactus.
Now you're talking. I could probably keep a cactus alive. Some of my friends just rave about the wide variety of locally made soaps. There are special shapes and many with heavenly scents.
I always buy my lip balm at the market, and there are many other specialty items to explore. You'll also want to check out the teas and herbs some vendors offer. Or you might be looking for jewelry that just screams New Mexico, or that reminds you of the City of the Crosses, like turquoise or this lovely belt buckle.
Some folks prefer to find something that they or their children can wear. How about hand-woven jackets, organic cotton children's clothes, or even a hand-painted tie?
New Mexico is famous for its artists, and many of them live right here in Las Cruces. While you can always find art in the many fine art galleries, you'll be surprised at how many well-known local artists offer their work directly to buyers at the market.
Some local artists even create their work at the market. Some is permanent, and some is very temporary, like this chalk art in the center of the street. But there's always something to see. Musicians help keep the excitement level high by performing live music throughout the market, especially on Saturdays.
The Las Cruces Farmers and Crafts Market is open year-round on Wednesdays and Saturdays from sunup to 1 p.m. For additional information, go to their website at www.lascrucesfarmersmarket.org.
The smaller El Mercado on the Mesilla Plaza has many vendors offering unique, locally produced items. How about a wooden truck made from an old Mesilla post office box? Or lovely tin work made from recycled cans? Jewelry makes a wonderful memento of a trip. and you'll find many fantastic choices there.
Several painters offer their art for sale at the market. Ceramic artists have a wide range of items. And of course, there are locally produced agricultural items such as nuts, salsas, and the ever-popular chili ristras. The charm of the Mesilla Plaza makes this shopping opportunity extra special. The Mesilla Market is open from 11 to 4 Fridays and noon to 4 Sundays.
The Uptown Crafts and Growers Market is at Mesilla Valley Mall on South Telshore Boulevard. You can find locally grown produce and kettle corn, as well as handmade items such as jewelry, wood crafts, ceramics, photography, and more. The Uptown Crafts and Growers Market is held from noon until 4 p.m. every Sunday.
You know, Bud, if all that shopping wears you out, you can even get a chair massage.
Now that's my idea of shopping.
During the peak agricultural season, the Growers Market at Mountain View Co-op at El Paseo in Idaho offers another place to get produce, eggs, and freshly baked goods. It is open from 10 to 2 on Sundays during the spring, summer, and fall. Get details by calling the co-op at 575-523-0436 or checking their website, www.mountainviewmarket.com.
With all these opportunities to buy local produce and crafts right from the people who grew or created them, we're sure you'll find something to love at one of our farmers and crafts markets.
This podcast was sponsored by the Las Cruces Convention and Visitors Bureau
And produced by Explore New Mexico.